What if everything you've been told about building strong legs is wrong, and the real secret has been hiding in plain sight this whole time? No machines, no fancy gym, no expensive gear, just your body, and a method so simple it almost feels unbelievable. But here's the twist. Most people quit before they ever discover it. Why? Because it doesn't look impressive at first. Yet those who stick with it start seeing something shocking. Strength, balance, and power growing faster than they imagined. So the question is, are you about to skip this too, or finally unlock what your body is truly capable of? Have you ever stared at your reflection, admiring your dedication, yet felt a nagging whisper of doubt? Perhaps it's a persistent ache in your knees after another heavy squat session, or the frustrating plateau in your leg development despite pushing monstrous weights. We're often told that to build powerful, sculpted legs, we must brave the iron jungle, hoist barbells, and strap ourselves into intimidating machines. For years, I believed this gospel. I chased the burn, celebrated the grind. But beneath the veneer of progress, a quiet rebellion was brewing in my body. Protesting joints, unbalanced strength, and a growing suspicion there had to be a better, smarter way. My name is Alex, and my fitness journey has been a winding path of discovery, often veering sharply from conventional wisdom. I've seen countless individuals, myself included, fall into the trap of believing more weight automatically translates to more results. Especially for legs, the foundation of our strength and mobility, we reconditioned to think only the heaviest barbell squats or most extreme leg presses can forge the power we crave. But what if many traditional exercises, while impressive, are not only less effective for true, functional muscle growth, but can also quietly inflict long-term damage on your vital joints? This isn't about shying away from hard work. It's about redefining what effective work truly means. Consider the venerable barbell squat, a cornerstone of leg day. While powerful, it places immense axial loading on your spine, often limiting depth and quality of movement. The leg press, seemingly safer, allows incredible weight, but how much truly engages muscles through their full, beneficial range, and how much is just pushing with knees locked? The leg curl machine, designed to isolate hamstrings, frequently provides resistance only in the contracted position, missing the crucial muscle-building phase when the muscle is fully lengthened. I've witnessed the toll: nagging knee pain, lower back discomfort, and a sense that legs, despite size, lacked resilient strength. We chase numbers, often at the expense of joint health and genuine muscle hypertrophy. The truth, I discovered, lies not in the sheer amount of weight, but in the quality of tension within the muscle. Effective muscle growth, or hypertrophy, isn't simply about moving a heavy load. It's driven by placing the muscle under significant tension throughout its entire range of motion, with a particular emphasis on the fully lengthened position. This is where the magic happens, where the greatest stimulus for growth occurs, and where muscle fibers are challenged to adapt. It's a principle often overlooked in ego-driven lifts, yet it's the key to unlocking superior development without joint-crushing consequences. This revelation led me down a different path, one paved with bodyweight mastery and intelligent movement. I started experimenting, researching, and ultimately building a new arsenal of exercises that delivered unparalleled results. These aren't just alternatives. They are, in many ways, superior for building functional muscular legs while safeguarding your joints. First, the band sissy squat. Don't let the name fool you. It's a quadriceps annihilator, isolating the front of your thighs. By leaning back and descending into a deep squat, with hips extended, you achieve maximal tension in the fully stretched position of the quads, without spinal loading. It sculpts the teardrop muscle, giving incredible definition and power. Next, for hamstrings, the maintains Nordic curl haul. Forget machines only resisting at the top. The Nordic curl works your hamstrings with maximal tension precisely in that crucial, fully stretched position as you slowly lower your body forward. It's brutally effective, building incredible eccentric strength, far superior to any leg curl machine. Then there's the Faxitsucken pistol squat. Not just a trick, but a testament to single-leg strength and balance. Performing a deep squat on one leg builds immense quadriceps strength, improves stability, and achieves a profound range of motion, all with zero spinal axial loading. It's a complete leg builder, demanding control, power, and mobility. To target the entire posterior chain, glutes, hamstrings, stabilizers, without stressing your lower back with heavy deadlifts, I recommend the single-leg Romanian deadlift, RDL. This focuses on stretching hamstrings and glutes under tension in their lengthened position, building strength and resilience. It improves balance, coordination, and chisels the back of your legs, keeping your spine safe. For powerful sculpted glutes and quads, look to the step-up bum, but a high step, allowing full hip extension at the top. This unilateral exercise develops incredible strength and shape in your glutes and quads, without spinal compression. It's functional, mirrors real-world movements, and demands independent leg work, correcting imbalances. Finally, to truly isolate and activate glutes, the single-leg glute bridge is your secret weapon. While two-leg variations are good, the single leg forces maximal activation of each glute independently, driving hypertrophy and strength that translates into better athletic performance and a more defined physique. Simple, yet incredibly effective. These 6 exercises, performed with intention and consistency, offer a pathway to developing legs that are not just aesthetically impressive, but functionally superior. You'll build strength that translates to real-world power, endurance for any challenge, and resilience that keeps your joints happy and healthy. This isn't about sacrificing results. It's about achieving better results, safely and sustainably. It's a paradigm shift, moving from more weight at all costs to maximal tension, full range of motion. The journey to truly powerful, resilient legs doesn't require an expensive gym or the latest equipment. It requires understanding fundamental principles of muscle growth, respecting your body's mechanics, and committing to intelligent, progressive training. Consistency in reps and resistance, whether adding repetitions, slowing tempo, or increasing leverage, is paramount. But above all, it's about mastering these movements, feeling every muscle fiber engage, and building a profound connection with your body. Embrace this path, and you will not only sculpt legs that turn heads, but also forge an inner strength and confidence that extends far beyond the physical. Your body is your gym, and your will is your ultimate trainer. Start building, safely and powerfully, today.